Chico, look! The biggest corn ever! Are you ready? I sure am, Lola. Let's go!
We need to follow this path right here, through the cornfield, to get to the big red barn by sundown. It's gonna be an adventure.
I'm ready, Chico. Let's go! There it is, Chico. I bet it's full of yummy treats.
All right, Lola, let's go check it out.
All right, let's get this harvest started. Full speed ahead.
Woohoo! I'm ready for snacks and adventure.
Adios.
Adios! Here we go, Lola. Full speed ahead to the cornfield.
I can almost taste the snacks already.